everyone! Today, I want to show you my new drawing. It's a coffee cup ballerina. She's wearing a pink tutu, has a big smile, and loves to dance. I gave her cute ballet shoes and a foamy heart on top. I had so much fun drawing her and coloring her dress. I hope you like my drawing, and maybe you can draw it too. Let's draw together and make it beautiful.